Google is gearing up to shake up the Android flagship market once again with the upcoming Pixel 10 series. And if the latest leaks are anything to go by, it's going to be a game changer, especially with satellite connectivity now reportedly on the table. Thanks to a major shift in both chipset manufacturing and modem technology, as the new Tensor G5 processor, for the first time, is said to be fabricated by TSMC, moving away from Samsung's foundry and possibly unlocking better efficiency, lower heat output, and improved overall performance of the Pixel 10 lineup, which is rumored to include the base Pixel 10, the Pixel 10 Pro, the larger 10 Pro XL, and even a foldable option called a 10 Pro Fold, with internal model numbers like GLBW0, G4QUR, GL82, and GU0MP. And according to a detailed report from Android Authority, all of these devices are expected to integrate a MediaTek-supplied T900 modem, a bold and strategic move for Google that signals not only an attempt to distance itself from Qualcomm and Samsung solutions, but also to push the envelope on mobile connectivity, as this T9 series modem is reportedly equipped with cutting-edge features, including adaptive connectivity services and satellite gateway, according to newly uncovered code within Android builds. And this means one thing: Google is finally entering the arena of non-terrestrial network, NTN connectivity, giving Pixel users access to communication via satellite in the absence of cellular coverage, a function once reserved for emergency use rugged phones or ultra-premium devices, but now becoming a competitive necessity in 2025 smartphone landscape, especially as Apple continues pushing similar features in their iPhones, likely the iPhone 16 or 17 series, which Pixel 10 will directly compete with upon launch. And while the Pixel 9 series has only just started appearing in price drops, with deals already pushing the Pixel 9 down to $599 on Amazon, the attention has swiftly shifted toward what Google is building next. And if this T900 modem delivers on its promise, we're looking at a much smarter and more resilient mobile experience, particularly in remote or rural areas where signal loss is more common. And let's not overlook the significance of TSMC's involvement here. With their proven track record for performance and yield reliability, the Tensor G5 could finally catch up or even surpass competing chips in areas like AI computation, multitasking, and thermal management, making the Pixel 10 series not just smart and connected, but power efficient and ready for the growing demands of real-time processing, advanced photography, and machine learning. And while we haven't yet seen full renders or spec sheets, the inclusion of satellite connectivity alone is enough to stir up major excitement across the tech community, because it reflects a growing trend in flagship innovation, pushing beyond just higher refresh rate displays and better cameras to features that actually impact daily usability and emergency reliability. So whether you're someone who travels often, hikes off-grid, or just wants peace of mind in a blackout, satellite communication baked into Android with the backing of MediaTek and Google could be a turning point in how we think about mobile access and safety. And the fact that this entire leap comes with Google's in-house Tensor G5 chip fabricated by the world's most advanced semiconductor foundry makes it all the more compelling, suggesting that Google is not just playing catch-up anymore, but positioning the Pixel 10 series as an ecosystem leader in AI, connectivity, and flagship-grade reliability. And as these leaks continue to unravel, we expect more confirmations about camera sensors, build materials, charging speeds, and software integration, especially as Android 15 continues to evolve with features that are clearly tailored to take full advantage of this new hardware stack. And when launch day finally arrives, possibly in October, if past trends hold, the question won't just be iPhone or Pixel, but who's innovating beyond the screen? And if you're as hyped as we are about the future of smart connectivity, flagship performance, and Google finally hitting its hardware stride, make sure you stay locked in, because we'll be tracking every development, teardown, and hands-on leak right here on TechVerse, where every spec has a story and every leak gets a deeper look. So subscribe now, hit that bell, and never miss a beat in the world of bleeding-edge tech.